Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day today. I am jumping on today to share with you an AliExpress haul. I did pick up a few things and I wanted to share with you what I picked up and what I've been playing with. So I'm going to jump right on in. All right, I'm going to start with this adorable little guy right here. This die that I picked up creates this super cute gingerbread girl or boy, and then it also creates this snowman. And I just thought this was an absolutely adorable die to have in your stash. It looks like this. Obviously it comes in several little pieces, but it's super cute to put together. I did back the little gingerbread girl with this Sizzix die. It's like a Sizzix candy, what is it called? Oh my gosh, I can't think. You know, the candy. I'll link it in the description box below, but this is what it looks like. And I just topped it with this little gingerbread cutie. I used the glossy dots from Pink and Maine, which I'm loving, and I just love that pop. You know, I love my glitter and I love the way that this looks. I don't know what I'm gonna put it on just yet. I was thinking about turning these into wands and possibly sticking them in my craft fair. I think it'd be super cute to be hanging out of somebody's stocking. So that's kind of the idea that I have for that. So I made this one, and then I have this one, but I hadn't popped him on yet because I wasn't really sure if I wanted to put him on or not, but super, super cute little die right there. All right, moving along, I found these dies and I'd never seen anything like it before, and I thought they were super cute, but it's a set of presents and a stocking, and you get two presents, and then you get the bows to go with the presents, and then you get this cute little stocking. And I'm going to show you what it looks like cut out because it's so adorable and I love the size. But look at this right here, you guys. Look how pretty that is. I used the paper that I picked up from Crafter's Companion, I believe, and I put a little heart bling. That's from Hobby Lobby. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I just did it alternating the glitter and that foil paper, but isn't that pretty? I love it, and I love, love, love the size. And here is the stocking, and you can see that it does have embossing, and it's so pretty. So this is definitely a fun die, and it even has like a little loop right there, so you could actually dangle a little charm or something from the stocking if you wanted to. How extra cute would that be to, like, I don't know, even like do a little charm with an initial and attach it to a gift? I think that would be extra cute. So I wanted to share those because I absolutely loved that little die set right there. All right, moving along, I did pick up this string. I don't even know what it's called. It's some type of thread, thin thread. And I had been seeing a lot of people use this in Christmas crafts last year, and I could never find it. So I just happened to find it on Ali, and I picked it up. So I really like it because it's really thin, and I'll show you in just a second what it looks like. I picked up this die right here, and it is a stocking. It's another stocking, but it's tiny. It has a little leaf and a little gingerbread guy and a little candy cane. And I used, this is a Jaded Blossom tag die that's in my stash that I've had for a while. Love that die. There's where I use that little bit of twine. Well, it's not twine, it's like silver thread. It's just really pretty, and it's skinny and it's dainty, and I just love it. And then I die cut the word joy. That's a die from my stash, and that is the way that die looks that I picked up. And here is the actual die in case you're wondering. I did pick up this snowflake die, or not, it's snowflakes and ice skate, and this is what it looks like cut out. Really, really cute. And it comes with a little snowflake, and I just die cut it with pattern paper and some glitter, some little bling, and it is obviously sturdy. You guys know I love sturdy die cuts. I always back it with 110-pound cardstock. This cardstock is 110-pound weight. I picked it up from Joann's. I don't think I ever shared it, but I bought like a huge stack of like multicolor 110-pound heavyweight cardstock from Joann's, and it's awesome. So that's what I use to back these little ice skates, which are adorable. All right, moving along, I did pick up these rings. I picked them up in pink and in red, and I picked them up for tag flips, or, you know, for that particular reason. So these are really pretty. They're, you know, They're a good size, and I've never seen them in different colors. My friend Anna, who's Serenity Creation, she's the one that told me about them. And she had used them, but then I had found some and then went ahead and ordered some, but love them. So really, really fun for your crafting projects. I also ordered them in blue, but I haven't got the blue in yet, but I have pink and red, so super cute. Another die that I picked up, and I forgot to bring it down, you guys, but it's like a layering die. It has Fa La La La, and this is absolutely adorable. My friend Betty, who's Scrap Passion 01, she had this on one of her projects during one of our Saturday morning crafts videos, and I was like, where did you get that die? And then she shared it with me. So yay, now I have it, and I absolutely love it. Super cute. All right, moving along, what else did I pick up? I have this little box of stuff that I've picked up off of Ali. I've shared a lot of this before, but I recently did got in these hearts. And they are like a cotton heart, and make sure I'm focused for you guys, but they're just flat back. And I figured this would be really cute to add to Christmas projects this year. So I don't know, there's several in here. I don't know if it's a 25 count. I cannot remember. But yeah, those are new, and can't wait to play with those. And then last but not, well, actually I have two more things to share with you. I have this cute little stocking that I picked up, and it looks like this, really cute. And it creates a really pretty layered effect. So I did some foil and then the red cardstock. So really, really pretty. And again, it has like a little tiny hoop, so you could dangle it from something if you want. So that's a cute die right there. Lots of Christmas dies. I found a pinwheel die, and it looks like that, and it's really, really pretty. And I wanted to share that because it looks really nice over this die right here, which is a Sizzix Bigs die. This is the Sizzix Pinwheel Die, and you could layer it. Oh, I just saw hot glue. I'm sorry. You can layer it on top of the pinwheel, and I think that would be really, really cute and turn it into a wand. So yeah, I found that one. I thought I'd share that one with you. And I think that is it. That is my AliExpress haul. Leave a comment, check the description box below for more information on links. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.